Welcome back to the video. In this video, I'll show you on how to add end screen to your YouTube video, and this is going to be a step-by-step guide. So let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you go to your content section on your YouTube studio. Once you get to your content section, you have to go ahead and select any content for this particular end screen of a thing. It can be video that has been published or the video that you have not published yet. You can use anyone for this section. So I'm going to go ahead and use this particular video right here. You can see this video here is live. Everyone can see, just like what you see, it is public. So next thing we want to do here is to click on this pencil icon. That's going to take you to your video detail right here. You can easily scroll down and then make sure you go ahead and click on end screen right here. Click on end screen. So once you click on end screen, it takes you right here. So here you can choose the template you want right here. So scroll down and see different templates available right here. So there are a lot of 6 templates right here, such as import from latest video, such as add 1 video and 1 subscriber. You can scroll down and see another template right here, 1 playlist, 1 subscriber. Then here you have 2 video right here, and then you have 1 playlist, 1 video, 1 playlist, 1 video, and 1 subscriber. So in this tutorial, I'm going to choose this one right here. So I'm going to add 2 separate video into my end screen right here. So you can adjust. Once you select, you can adjust the template just like so. Okay. Now, how do we edit this particular template? Scroll down right here. Then you have the template detail right here, such as best for viewer, most recently uploaded. So which one you want to come first and which one you want to come last. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure I show the most recently, so I can easily select on this one right here. So I'm going to go ahead and choose I want the best viewer to appear first. So I will go ahead and make sure I come to this last part of this particular video of the particular element right here. Make sure your cursor turns to something like this, then drag. So you can drag it to start from 1 minute 30 seconds. Then I want it to end. So come back to the end part. Then I want it to end 1 minute 35 seconds. That's just 5 seconds. Then I'll go ahead and click on most recently upload. So I want this one to start from exactly 1 minute 37 seconds, and I want it to end here at exactly 1 minute right here. Okay. Now the next thing we want to do here is to import video into this element right here. I will start from best for viewer right here. So once you click on best for viewer, scroll to the top, then you have to choose the video. So here you have best for viewers. Choose a specific video. I'm going to select specific video, and then I will go ahead and add the video right here. So I'm going to look for the video right here. However, you can use or search your video right here to search for any video you want to add, as the case may be. So I'm going to scroll down right here. I'm going to add this video right here, best for viewers. Then once you add best for viewer, go ahead and add your most recently upload. Click on the template. Then you have it right here. So, and the next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and edit the template with specific video or best for viewer, or automatically feature the most recently upload. So I'm going to leave it this way. So I want my recently upload to be shown. So now let's go ahead and play the video. So I'm going to simply click on here to play the video. So immediately you get to that point, it's comfort. Then they can click on it and keep watching from there, and it disappear. Then most recently pop up from here. It's that simple. So once you are done with every editing, next thing you need to do is to come to the top right here, click on save, and all elements will be saved to the video in that particular section. For more tutorial tips and tricks about how best to grow and get more views on YouTube, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next